Are you confident your USB devices are charging properly? This diagnostic kit lets you monitor the exact voltage and current your device receives while charging. Whether you're using a wall charger, car charger, laptop USB port, or a mobile power bank, you'll know if your power supply is delivering the right charge every time. This tool is essential for anyone who wants to avoid slow charging or device damage. It's perfect for test labs, repair shops, or anyone troubleshooting Apple or Android devices. By comparing voltage and current across different chargers and cables, you can quickly spot if a charger, cable, or battery is underperforming or faulty. You can customize the display to show either voltage or current, or set it to alternate between both automatically. This flexibility means you can keep a close eye on your device's charging status without constantly fiddling with settings. It's a straightforward way to get precise, real-time data at a glance. Want to speed up your charging? The adapter includes a built-in fast charge feature that transforms your laptop's USB port into a charge-only outlet. This lets you charge your phone or tablet much faster than usual, similar to plugging into a wall outlet. It's a simple upgrade that saves you valuable time. Security matters, especially when charging on the go. The fast charge mode disables data transfer, protecting your device from potential hacking or data theft at public USB stations. It also prevents malware from sneaking into your device through unknown connections, giving you peace of mind wherever you charge. If syncing your device to a laptop is part of your routine, this adapter handles that too. You can sync and charge simultaneously, though charging might slow down a bit during data transfer. It's a convenient all-in-one solution for keeping your devices powered and up to date. Backed by StarTech, a trusted name in tech accessories, this USB diagnostic kit has earned top reviews across the U.S. Customers praise its ease of use and accurate cable testing, especially for micro USB and other common USB types. It's a reliable way to ensure your cables and chargers are up to the task. If you want to take control of your device charging and avoid guesswork, this diagnostic kit is worth a look. It helps you spot issues early, charge faster, and stay secure. Try it when you're ready to upgrade your charging experience.